I'm Devlin Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals, here with a look at what made news in the economy this past week. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. The big news of the last several days was the Commerce Department's preliminary estimate of GDP growth in the first quarter. Heading into the week, it was projected GDP growth in the first quarter would come in around 2%. Not even close. On Thursday, we learned that GDP rose at a feeble 1.1% annualized in the first 3 months of 2023. Not only is that much weaker than expected, it's nearly 60% below the growth rate for the prior quarter and nearly half of GDP growth for all of 2022. On a not entirely unrelated note, the Conference Board reported Tuesday that its Consumer Confidence Index tumbled again in April, dropping to 101.3 from the 104 posted in March. This makes the third month of the previous 4 the index has declined. The metric is now at its lowest point since last July. It's also worth noting the board's expectations index took a sizable drop from 74 in March down to 68.1 this month. The expectations index is a gauge of consumers' feelings about income, business, and labor conditions 6 months down the road. An index measure below 80 indicates a recession is looming. With the exception of December, the index has been below 80 every month since February 2022. Finally this week, the S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller National Home Price Index surprised just about everyone by unexpectedly climbing month over month in February. The index rose 0.2%, the first increase in the last 8 months. Home prices did continue to moderate on an annual basis, slowing to 2% in February after rising 3.7% in January. However, even that measure was more positive than anticipated. Projections going into the week expected the year-over-year number to show no increase for the first time in 11 years. According to Zillow chief economist Nicole Bachot, the spike in monthly price growth suggests we might get a reprieve from negative housing market trends during the normally active spring season. Only time will tell. That's all for now. We'll see you again next week. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.